Flight number 3.
Middle rates, high rates.
I'm gonna come back over from the left. I'm gonna bring the gears up.
Gear up.
I'll come back from the right. Oh, it's climbing. Shit, it's climbing super hard. Hold on. What just happened there? Alright, I'm coming in. I'll come in. Oh. No, it keeps... What is going on? Why is my thing keep climbing? No, but I should have more authority than that. What in the hell? Hey, I don't have any elevator. Whoa, I don't have any elevator. Oh my goodness. Let me bring the gear down. I don't have any elevator. Oh my goodness, I'm gone. I can't even see.
RSSI critical.
I just crashed. I lost my elevator. Oh my goodness.
Telemetry lost.